When someone hurts you, don't feel bad, because it's a law of nature that the tree that bears the sweetest fruits gets the maximum number of stones. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. Control your emotions, don't react. Be decisive. Your ideas of happiness can make you unhappy. Appreciate your life as it is. When someone hurts you, don't feel bad, because it's a law of nature that the tree that bears the sweetest fruits gets the maximum number of stones. People come and go, learn to be alone without feeling lonely. People's opinion on you are not who you are. Don't be jealous of smart and intelligent people. Stay close to them, learn from them and grow. What people think of you has nothing to do with what you think about yourself. Do what you want, because in the end it's harder to regret the things you never did. When someone hurts you, don't feel bad, because it's a law of nature that the tree that bears the sweetest fruits gets the maximum number of stones. Stop waiting for motivation. Your future self is watching your habit today. Make him proud.